Hello everyone. Welcome to the English Time, your #1 place to learn English. If you are new here, subscribe the channel for weekly lessons. I am Lily. Today I am going to the supermarket to buy some groceries. Come with me. Let's go. Excuse me. Where can I find a basket?
The baskets are right here at the entrance. Take one.
Oh, thank you so much.
Of course. And if you have many things to buy, you can also take a trolley.
Oh, I see. A trolley is the big cart, right?
Yes, exactly. Big cart with wheels.
Good to know. Today I have a small list, so a basket is fine for me.
Perfect. Welcome. Enjoy your shopping.
Thank you. You're very kind. Excuse me.
Yes. How can I help you?
I am looking for bread. Where can I find it?
Bread is in aisle 4. Go straight and then turn right.
Aisle 4. Go straight and turn right. Got it. Thank you. You are welcome. Oh, yes. Here it is. Perfect. Excuse me. Where is the milk, please?
Milk is in the dairy section. Go to the back of the store and turn left.
The back of the store and turn left. Okay. Thank you so much. There it is. Great. Milk done. Excuse me. I have a question.
Sure. What is it?
I see this sign. It says buy 2 get 1 free. What does that mean?
It means if you buy 2 bottles, you get 1 bottle for free. No extra money.
Oh, wonderful. That is a great deal. Thank you. And how much is this orange juice?
It is $3. But today it is on sale. You pay only $2.50.
Oh, it is cheaper today. That is great. I will take it.
Good choice. We also have a special offer on apple juice today if you are interested.
Oh, really? How much is the apple juice?
It is $2 today. Normally it is $3.
That is a very good price. I will take 1 apple juice too. Thank you.
Great choice. Enjoy.
Excuse me. Can I ask you something?
Of course. How can I help you?
I want to buy some cheese. But there are so many types here. I don't know which one to choose. Can you recommend something?
Sure. Do you like mild cheese or strong cheese?
I am not sure. What is the difference?
Mild cheese has a soft and gentle taste. Strong cheese has a very rich and sharp taste.
Oh, I see. I think I like something soft and gentle. So mild cheese, please.
Then I recommend this one. It is very creamy and smooth. It is also very popular. Many of our customers love it.
Oh, that sounds really good. Is it good for sandwiches?
Yes. It is perfect for sandwiches. And also very good for cooking in pasta.
Oh, wonderful. I make pasta at home sometimes. I will definitely try it.
I think you will love it.
How much is it?
It is $3.50 for this pack.
That is a good price. I will take 2 packs, please.
Great choice. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Actually, yes. I also need some butter. Where can I find it?
Butter is right here in the dairy section. Just 2 shelves down on your left.
Oh, I can see it. Thank you so much. You have been very helpful today.
It is my pleasure. Enjoy your shopping.
Okay. Cheese done. Butter done. Now let me check my list. Bread, yes. Milk, yes. Orange juice, yes. Apple juice, yes. Apples, yes. Tomatoes, yes. Cheese, yes. Butter, yes. I think I have everything. Time to go to the cashier. Excuse me. Is this queue open?
Yes, it is. Please come forward. Hello. Did you find everything you were looking for today?
Yes, I did. Everyone here was very helpful. I found everything on my list.
That is great to hear. Okay, let me scan your items. You have bread, milk, orange juice, apples, tomatoes, cheese, and butter. Is that correct?
Yes, that is everything. Thank you for checking.
Of course. Your total comes to $14.70.
$14.70. Okay. Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course. Please tap your card on the machine here. Perfect. Your payment is done.
Oh, great. That was very easy. Can I have 2 bags? I have quite a few things.
Of course. Here are 2 bags for you.
Thank you so much. How much are the bags?
They are 10 cents each. So 20 cents for 2 bags. I have added it to your total.
Oh, okay. No problem. Can I have my receipt, please?
Yes, here is your receipt. Have a wonderful day.
And that is our supermarket lesson for today. Today I went to the supermarket and I talked to many people. I asked for a basket. I found bread and milk. I checked prices and special offers. I weighed my apples and tomatoes. I asked for a cheese recommendation. I picked up my milk. And I paid at the cashier. All with simple English. Simple questions. Simple answers. Now it is your turn. Next time you go to the supermarket, try these sentences. Start with just one. Excuse me. Where can I find the bread? That is enough for the first time. If this lesson helped you, please give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to the English Time. We make new English lessons every week just for you. Tell us in the comments, what do you usually buy at the supermarket? Write your answer in English. We love reading your comments. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye, everyone.